Guys, welcome to my office routine. Roma, how are you? You're welcome. You're welcome. Welcome, my friend. How is your mom, dad, everybody? Thank you. So, what are you doing today on Friday? How is your Friday going? Oh, you're just chilling. Beautiful. It's good to chill. Chilling is very important. Welcome, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Oh, that's good. That'll be nice. Oh, you go to the city to do the photo shoot. Who is the photographer? Who is the photographer, guys? Welcome to my channel. Hey, welcome, guys. Good morning. How are you doing today? I hope you're good. I'm so happy to have you here. Today is just going to be my normal routine at work. And right now I'm going to start my editing. If you want to see what I'm doing, just comment in the comment section. Let me position this camera. Can show there clearly. Just do some little edits. I just need to continue from where I stopped yesterday. You're all welcome. Okay, that's good. Maybe you would have told me so that I would come snap you guys. Look at my camera. Have they been told me I would have just come to snap you guys? No. Yeah, I really need to go. All right, that's nice. Guys, you're welcome. If you're here, just let me know where you're watching me from. Yes, I have.
So to me, the power bike is strong. This is a Honda power bike. This is all those cowboy and all those big boys in America. Change the bike. What does he want to change? So to me, the power bike is strong. This is a Honda power bike. This is all those cowboy and all those big boys in America, one-man bike. So what is it that they want to change this bike again? You know, I can see you have done some construction there.
Yeah. Yeah, you know, the power bike may look beautiful in your looks because you are not a customizer. But if we customizers, especially, we don't have anything like, no matter how beautiful bike is, we can still make it more sweeter. Understand? So
Yeah, you see,
the
I
power
can.
bike owner, he's from Lagos. Then he bought this
still working
power
on a
bike.
new
He's a
video.
biker that he wants the bike to look so like this is a power bike. This is the Honda.
Brought this bike from Lagos.
Yes, from
to
Lagos,
Benue.
to Benue State.
Wow.
This is a Honda Shadow.
Honda-
This is what we
Honda
call Honda Shadow. If you know Honda Shadow is a very big bike that have a very big standard. You understand? And he want me to customize it, to change it into a bike we call Bomber. We call it Bomber. Bomber are those American riders that you see them tie the van down in their head and sit like this. Yes. So I say, okay, I can turn that Honda Shadow to a Bomber for you. And he wants me to, I believe that might something body in the US. So he wanted to look American design. Now, America are doing a kind of design that they don't have back seat. They just have a front seat and doing very rugged bikes. So I said, I can do that for you. And that's what you see. When they bring the bike, it was very big. Chopping off the bike, I'm customizing it. And today I'm in the painting level. That's why I miss all my paint. I'm in the painting level now to paint the bike.
So now are you going to change this?
Yeah, I have done a lot of work on it already.
Are you going to change this?
No, they say to be tall. No, already I have. The bike was, the seat was here like
Okay,
this.
so you have pushed it.
I have
down.
pushed it down already.
Okay,
Now,
the
if
seat
you
is
see
down.
how I sit on it, I already been in that shape already.
you have
Yeah,
the-
I have the shape already.
Wow.
According to the man.
The video is just 20 minutes.
Customizing bike, I will customizing your weight. If you are now taller than this person that giving this bike. If you are the guy, I could have made him more taller, but you are tall.
Okay,
So I have customized this bike now to suit up the rider. Understand? So if he sit on this bike, it will suit him. I have already tested him. He come and test it. I think he line with him. He like it like this, and so now I'm doing the painting level. Yeah.
So now, you, I can say you are, when it comes to bike, you are jack of all trades. Because looking at, this is the construction, this is the tank.
The tank of the power bike. Yeah.
This one is it?
Yeah, those ones are the fenders, the custom fenders I have customized. You see this?
This looks like a bucket.
Very good. It looks like a bucket. You know, this is a bucket. This normal bucket we use to fetch water here in Benue State. Yeah, you know. So I buy this bucket on a scrap yard. But this is now a side cover of the bike. If I paint this in, you will not recognize.
Why am I feeling sleepy? Why? And I want to edit. Why am I feeling sleepy? Oh. allow this camera to be recording while I sleep. You're also tired. Guys, I'm sorry. I need to end this live because I'm kind of tired, so I just need to rest. All right. So I said, okay. I'll still leave the camera here and be doing my thing. No cause for alarm. I should drink coffee. But where the truth is that I'm kind of tired. I don't have enough strength now to even talk on video. So if you're a father, at times you go to sleep at night, but your child will not allow you to sleep. They will cry, 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 cry. Let me end this live.